Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Cadillac ATS Performance Collection all-wheel drive, stock number Z6430AA. Only 13,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this ATS brand new, crystal red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. The ATS is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera, along with front and rear parking sensors, as well as advanced safety features like forward collision alert, spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This performance collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, 10-speaker Bose sound system, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read, customizable gauges. Again, only 13,000 miles. It's also where you set the forward collision alert, leather wrap steering wheel, which is heated great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, spacious glove box with all the owner's materials, overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this ATS has a 3.6 liter V6, 321 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 26 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information about this ATS, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.